When we are little, we are often asked the question, what do you want to be when you grow older? And as a child, the answer is usually something like an astronaut or a firefighter. Still, when it's time to make that decision in your late teens, or even adult years, it can be extremely hard to find the answer. If you're struggling to find your ideal career path, you're not alone. In fact, many people go through several career changes throughout their lives until they find the right fit. But you don't have to go through the same cycle. By following these 7 steps, you can avoid a life slumped over a desk and find your true calling. Step 1. Make a list of your hobbies. The best place to start is with your hobbies. What are you passionate about? What would make you get out of bed on a cold wintry morning to go to work? While your passion might not be your forte, it's a good starting point to help you figure out what career you want to pursue. Step 2. Discover what you're good at. What you enjoy and what you're good at can be 2 very different things. For example, you might enjoy dancing, but you're actually really good at organizing. So, a job as an event planner, office manager, or personal assistant may be a sensible choice. As well as listing your hobbies, create a second list of skills that you possess. Step 3. Identify your personality traits. In order to find the right career fit, you're going to need to take a closer look at your personality traits. While you might be a gifted singer, your introverted personality might not let you succeed in this field because you're too anxious to stand on a stage in front of people. Therefore, it's important to identify and take into consideration your personality traits when it comes to your career path. Step 4. Determine what you want out of a career. It's also necessary to identify what it is that you want out of a career. Do you want to receive a high salary? Have a respectable job title? Or simply work for a cause that you care about? By answering these questions, you can narrow down what type of roles you'd be interested in working towards and find the path to success. Step 5. Talk to industry experts. Once you've narrowed down a handful of careers, talk to industry experts and find out more about the job and industry as a whole. They will offer insight into the day-to-day practices, working hours, progression, and further opportunities, which will help you get a clearer understanding of that career. Step 6. Research the job market. Besides talking to career experts, you should also research the job market and see whether there are opportunities in this field, or whether it's a career that you'll struggle to secure. You also need to determine whether the role you are interested in has the potential for career progression, otherwise, you will get bored working in the same position for years on end. Step 7. Discover your core values. Lastly, identify what your core values are, and use them to find a career that is fulfilling for you. Make a list of qualities that are important to you and identify companies who have the same core beliefs. This will help you narrow down your search and discover industries that you would be a good match for. Remember, the process of choosing the right career can be challenging, but by taking the time to identify your interests, skills, and values, you can find a job that brings you fulfillment and joy. So take a deep breath, trust the journey, and start taking action towards your dream career today. Thanks for watching. If you're looking for more guidance on how to apply for a job and prepare for interviews, check out our upcoming video where we provide a step-by-step guide. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content.